Good morning, dear students. Myself Miss Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag, and in today's lecture, we are going to continue the reading of Geography Chapter 8 Industries and Distribution and Case Studies. And previous lectures, we have discussed about the cotton and textile industry, iron and steel industry, and we have done the case study of regarding these two industry also. So, in today's lecture, we are going to read about the information technology industry, which is which is the latest new edition of the industry. It is, and it is fastly growing industry in the world. So information technology is a new addition in the services or service industry. It is also known as knowledge based industry. Its primary deals with the storage, processing and distribution of information. The information technology industry, also called the IT industry, includes services rendered in the consumer on computer, radio, television, mobile phone, fax, etc. The most important factor for the growth and development of IT industry in the world is the computer. So information and technology industry mainly relate with the computer, which is a base. Nowadays it's become a basic necessity of our growing society, and we feel it's very important part. It's also become an important part of our life. So the computer was first developed in USA in 1946. In 1946, the device purpose for defense purpose. It helped in the storing a large amount of information in tiny chips. Although India started late but made rapid progress in the development of software, and it helped in reducing the brain drain from India to Western world. Uh, the main factor which helped the development and growth of IT industry in India and USA are availability of resources, the cost of development and infrastructure. So, firstly, the computer was made in USA in 1946, and it was for the purpose of defense services. They want to store a lot of information in small ways. So they have developed computer. Slowly and steadily, progress came into the computer, and many things started. But in India, computers started in late 80s and in 90s. India computer was introduced to in India, and rapidly we have it's a in this industry we developed in the software. We are leading in the software industry rather than the hardware industry. Hardware is best in the USA, and software it is on in India. So brain drain, a way word has come here. Brain drain means when people got knowledge from one place and go to other countries for doing jobs. These are the brain drain. Means एजुकेशन हम इंडिया से लेते हैं, यहाँ की सारी बातों को, पॉजिटिव बातों को लेते हैं, बट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी गुड ना होने के कारण हम लोग दूसरे देशों में जाकर जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ढूंढते हैं. तो इसने ब्रेन ड्रेन को इसको ब्रेन ड्रेन कहते हैं. तो इससे क्या होता है कि भी नॉलेज जो इंडियन लोगों की नॉलेज है वो दूसरे देश के लोग उससे ग्रोथ करते हैं. तो इसको ब्रेन ड्रेन कहते हैं. तो इसमें काफ़ी कमी आई है इसके बाद में. In IT industry, Bengaluru. In India, Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Why it is called so? Let us come to know. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka state and located in the southern part of Deccan Plateau. The Bengaluru region is called the Silicon Plateau. The city experienced a Dust-free, mild climate almost throughout the year. There are many high-tech industries located in the city, such as Indian Telephone Industry, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Hindustan Machine Tools, Indian Space Research Organization, etc. All these organizations are found in Bangalore itself. They have the offices in the Bangalore. Thus, the city has a large assembly of technically educated people. There are also a large number of colleges imparting technical education and training. Bengaluru is also a major center of manufacturing and transportation. The computer software companies started their establishment in 1980s. The pioneer among them was Infosys Technology, which is developed links with many global companies. Infosys, India's leading IT industry, and it was started in late 80s. So Karnataka government took initiatives and announced IT policies in 1992. Several multinational companies such as Howalt, Parkward, IBM, Siemens, Motorola, Compaq, etc. opened their sub offices or head offices in Bangalore. Today, about 2 lakh softwares professionals are working in Bengaluru. The computer machines are called hardware. The program which can be used in the computer is called the software. Bengaluru is now called the Silicon Valley of East. Other states, government also taking initiatives to establish IT centers as Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurgaon, Noida, Pune, Chandigarh, Trivandrum, Kochi, etc. Even today, Bengaluru has a unique status in the with highest availability of management talent. So now we have read about it. Why the Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India, because it has all the qualities which an industry required to growth. सबसे बड़ी बात जो है, सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है? सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ द वो चीज़ है जिससे कंप्यूटर चलता है। हार्डवेयर है मशीनरी उसकी, सॉफ्टवेयर है वो चीज़ें, वो सॉफ्टवेयर में वो चीज़ें आती हैं जिससे कंप्यूटर वर्क करता है। तो जो लैंग्वेजेस हम लोग कंप्यूटर में पढ़ते हैं ना, C++, A+ वाले, वो सारी लैंग्वेजेस को हम सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं। सो ये जब भी इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू डू द कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस में, यू आर डूइंग MA, यू आर डूइंग MSc और कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम, you will get the job in Bengaluru and other important cities which are discussed here. Next is the IT industry in Silicon Valley, USA. Silicon Valley in USA is located on the peninsula of San Francisco in the California state. It is the part of Santa Clara County, located next to the Rocky Mountains in the USA. The Silicon Valley lies one of the highly industrialized region in the USA, which this area enjoy a mild climate and even winter temperature never fall below the freezing point. There is enough space for growing expansion of the IT industry. Before the computer comes to this area, it was called Valley of Heart Delight due to the large scale of production of apricots. The first industrial park was centered at high technology was started in 1950. It was collaboration with Stanford University. The aim was to find highly placed technology work for the student of the university. The main work was done by Professor Frederick E. Terman, thus of the Stanford University. He invited computer hardware and software companies to come and establish their units in Park. The industrial research and activities in Silicon Valley's unit are concentrating on the software and in internet. Actually, The Silicon Valley got its names from the silicon chip used in the computer. It presents more than 1 lakh IT professional at present. More than 1 lakh IT professional and technicians are working in the companies established in Silicon Valley. Presently, the computer software and hardware companies are located mostly of the cities of USA. The knowledge-based industries are changed in the image of our country and has many advantage over other industry. India has enough skilled manpower. We want to use computer as a tool to spread information and knowledge and create awareness. So IT industry is the, as we have read, it is very new industry and it is very much growing industry. We should, and India wants to uh, come forward in this industry and become the leading person in this industry, and hopefully someday it will be done. Thanks for the day, thanks for the day, and hope you will be fine. Thank you.